So Yeezy Day took place in the UK, and I think I did okay. Hey, what's going on? Lucas here, back with another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my pickups from Yeezy Day 2021. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube on Instagram and Twitter at Lukas Winn. And if you do like today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. Now today I'm going to be unboxing my Yeezy Day 2021 pickups, and for me Yeezy Day was kind of a hit and miss. So I did manage to cop 5 pairs, so pretty successful. However, I only copped one in my actual size, so from that perspective, not as good as it could have been, but at the same time, Manual Gang came through, and that's all that matters. So let's get to it. So I have opened a couple just because I wanted to see what they were. I wasn't 100% sure, and obviously I was quite curious as well. So the first one we have here is a 350 box, but this is actually the old style Yeezy box. So you've got your Yeezy 350, but then you've got adidas.com/Kanye, and then you've got the old school size tag as well. So it's the Yeezy Boost 350, and this is the Cloud White. So I'm just going to pop this. And here we have the Yeezy Boost 350 Cloud White. So I copped this in the Adidas splash page. I had a couple of browser windows open, and I said I managed to cop this in a size 11.5. And I kind of thought, let me try my luck, and I managed to cop another pair for 11.5. and a third pair for a size 12.5. So 3 of the sneakers you can see are Cloud Whites, and I did cop 2 additional pairs as well. So this is it's a very classic sneaker. This one's actually from the original manufacturing period, so this is actually 2018, so not a bad sneaker at all. I am going to be selling this, so if you want to make me an offer, feel free to drop a message in a comment or send me a DM on Instagram or Twitter, and obviously we can have a conversation. So quickly going through the sneaker, it's an all kind of sail boost midsole, kind of your classic Yeezy design, and then we come to the side on the upper, it's an all fabric upper using that prime knit fabric, and then obviously we come to the top, you've got that all white fabric as well going obviously across the lateral and the medial side, as you can see here. You've also got the stripe going down the side there, so again nice little details. When it comes to the top of the upper, and you can see you've obviously got the clear white laces, and so these are the classic laces, so you know they're still got the tips and everything, so they're not infinity. And then on the back you've got the heel tab, and you've obviously got the back of the heel, you've got the 3 stripes right there. So it's your classic Yeezy 350, to be honest. I mean, as you can see, I have got quite a few in my collection, so it's definitely one that unfortunately I didn't get in my size, because I did want to cop this in my size, but that was pretty difficult. So still happy to have this, but most likely we'll be selling this or trading to get my size. So that's the first sneaker. Much better. So I'm missing the carbons. As you can see, I do wear my sneakers. So yeah, on to the next one. So here we have an actual Adidas box now. So I'm just going to pull the tab. I don't know why Adidas are sending me huge boxes. I know I have a bigger size foot, but as I said, I only caught one in my size, so I was expecting smaller boxes, but hey, it is what it is. So it's a 350 as well. Just put the box to one side. Okay, so we're going to leave this one to last, because this was actually one in my size. So on to the next one. So, another box. So this is the size 12.5 UK cloud white. So I'm just going to pop this again. Exactly the same. So again, I really wanted to copy my size, but just was not able to. This may fit me, but I doubt it, to be honest, because I use like a 13.5 in Yeezys in the UK, so very likely that this will be sold as well. Or I may keep it for the personal collection at the moment, but again, looking to trade for my size. So on to the next one. So I won't even guess. I bet you can guess what this one is. So yes, this is the other 12.5 cloud white. So actually I got two 12.5s and one 11.5. I actually thought it was the other way around, but it's no biggie. But again, just going to show this. And there you can see. So if you're interested in any of these sizes, feel free to leave me a comment down below, or send me a DM on Instagram or Twitter at Lukas Winn. So now we get on to the last pair. And this is actually in my size. So it's a 350 box. So you can see boost on the side. This is an older model as well. So size tag is Yeezy Boost 350 V2. The colorway is Antlia. And the size is US 14, UK 13.5. So I copied these on the Adidas Confirmed app as part of an exclusive access. I was going to go for these along with the Waverunners, which again I didn't copy my size. It's been unfortunate. But yeah, I did manage to get these in exclusive access, so really happy for that. Because again, exclusive access wasn't for everybody, so really grateful to get that, to be honest. But yeah, let's pop the box. So, okay. Dang. Very yellow. But yes, this is the Yeezy Boost 350 Antlia. That's a very interesting sneaker, if I do say so. I'll put that down there. So, is it yellow or is it green? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think. It's kind of a yellowy green. It's definitely out there. I mean, I'm trying to think what other colours I have. Nah, this is definitely out there. I do have the alien blues down here in 380s, and I thought these were pretty polarizing in terms of colour. But no, this is definitely much different. This was actually manufactured, let me see, 2019. So this is probably a pair from the original run. So again, pretty happy to get this, to be honest, because I mean these are going for secondary market for quite a bit of money, certain styles. And to get this for retail, definitely not complaining. This cost 180. The others cost 179.95, so 180 as well, to be fair. But for some reason on the Adidas splash page, it's always 5p less. Go figure. Yeah, I mean, happy to get this. Again, it's probably my most polarizing Yeezy in terms of color, but definitely one that I will feel is going to get worn. Let me know if you want me doing on foot on this, and obviously I'll get that shot for you. And the last pair is something I actually got from my wife. I wasn't able to copy my size, but this is the one that I really wanted for exclusive access, but unfortunately didn't get. And I was able to copy it on the standard drop earlier in the day. So yeah, so $700 again, Yeezy Boost 700, and then on here you see the size tag of Yeezy Boost 700 in so UK 5.5, US 6, and the colorway is MGS OGR Cloud White Cloud Black. So yeah, basically it's the Waverunner. Let's call it a spade a spade. It's basically the Waverunner. So let's put the box, and here we have Yeezy 700 Waverunner. This is such a classic sneaker, and again, obviously happy able to cop this for the wife, but again, a little bit salty because I wanted it in my size, but it is what it is. But definitely still happy to have this in the collection for her. So this was actually manufactured 21, so this is actually a brand new size run. So there was some rumours that the Waverunners were going to be from the original drop, but no, this just looks like a re-release. So is it technically a retro? Then yes. But yeah, so again, this is a polarizing sneaker. It's a classic sneaker, and definitely one that I'm really happy to get. Now, the prices on Waverunners have actually dropped, because I think a lot of pairs were available, but I think in the bigger sizes, the old Bigfoot curse came to fruition, unfortunately. So yeah, we'll definitely have to resell for these, and definitely thinking about pulling the trigger on that. So yeah, which is your favourite from the three? The Cloud Whites, the Antlias, or the Waverunners? Technically it was 3 pairs, but because I managed to cop 3 pairs of Cloud Whites, I still think that's pretty cool for, manual gang, versus the bots and everything. So I know that Yeezy Day in the States was heavily botted, but I think in the UK we had a pretty good deal. So yeah, obviously really happy to get this. Obviously we want more, but I know there were some people that took pure L's, so obviously grateful that I was able to cop some. So yeah, let me know in the comments what's your favourite. So thanks for watching the video. If you did like this content, please do subscribe, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube and Instagram and Twitter at Lukas Winn. And if you did like the video, again, do also give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.